Hi everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching my last shopping haul. I did a shoe try on and today I can tell you it's all about shoes again. I guess you know I have some favorite brands and sometimes I love to do online shopping and sometimes some store shopping. So I just love these little bags but what's inside, I love even more. So today it's all about new Christian Louboutin shoes, or maybe it's boots. I guess you saw already in the title what's inside, but you know that I love this brand, and no, it's not a corporation, but I can't resist. If I see a special pair that might look good on me, I have to try it. So sometimes I love to shop in the store and try them on. Most times it's the same size that I'm wearing, 37.5. Also these ones, so it's like my showcase shoe size. Most of my shoes are showcase. So let's take them off this beautiful bag. So I'm going to show you the Dolly Booty Alta 160, so it's 16 centimeters. It's ankle boots. So we have this little bag for the heel extras. A nice shoe bag. Do they really fit inside? I don't know. Here they are. Wow. Take a look at these beautiful heels. And we've got a zipper. A nice huge platform. A kind of pointy toe. Not too pointy, and this silhouette looks amazing. So I guess you can tell that I already tried them on, but I thought let's do a video so you can see how it looks. Also the change from my knee-high Kate Botta to these ones. So it's definitely a change if you go from a flats, like no platform, to platform ones. It's not about the height of the heel, it's not the biggest problem, but you get a little bit shaky. So this is my regular style. I think it's 9.5 centimeters and this is 16 centimeters. So I will show you the difference, but definitely this is my everyday boot and this is my special evening style boot. Let's try them on. I love how they look on my legs, so they definitely look great to nice pantyhose, especially a dark one, or a leather pants. And you can't ignore the red sole. So I think I will walk a little bit for you, so you can see. So I love this style. So I'm happy with my new boots and it doesn't feel too shaky to walk on them and I'm pretty happy. So this evening I will stay with these ones. I don't want to take them off, so pretty happy with my Dolly Booty Alta. So thanks for watching. Thank you for giving me a thumbs up and leaving a nice comment, and see you on the next video. Take care, everybody.